Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here at we are back again for another vlog at nag-unbox tayo kanina ng itong Summit Creative Camera Backpack. Yes, nakikita rin itong mga backpack na to, no? Gamit-gamit ng friends natin na si Ted Claudio at si Joe Serrano at na-influence tayo to try it and use it for an adventure. At itong si Summit Creative Camera Backpack, it is a brand that provides a very good backpack, no, para sa ating mga camera. Perfect for adventurers, photographers, mga hilig sa outdoors. At saka yung mga camera backpack nila, it's a very durable, very comfortable. Camera bag specs, the Summit Creative Metropolis 26 liters blue. Sizes available, meron siyang 16 liters, 22 liters, saka 26 liters. So yung ating champagne, meron siyang color na blue, orange, at black. Itong malaki yung bag niya. Unang-una kala mo maliit, no? Pag nalagyan mo ng laman to, ayun, makikita mo na